Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. In front of you here is a new product that I'm actually new to myself, and these are lever nut connectors or lever wire connectors. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you can search. I bought these off of Amazon, and they came in a kit of just the singles here and the multiples. So this one here is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 is on this side. So I got 60 of the single connectors. I'll show you how they work. And these ones here are 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is them right here. 2, 3, 4, and 5 connectors. And I think they're pretty fascinating. I never used them before, but I got a project coming up, and I thought these are just ideal for what I need. And if we just take a look at the singles here, now the reason why they call them lever is, of course, you just open this up like this, and you can put your wire in. And all it is a way to connect wires. So if you look on the back of every one, there's a little spot here that shows you how long the wire should be, and then you just place the wire inside, put it down, and that's it. I mean, it's as easy as that. Now, the good thing about these single ones is that you see there's 2 raised edges on the outside there, and there's a corresponding mating surface on this side. So you can actually join 2 of these together. And if I could just get them to work here. Okay, hold on a second here. It might be easier on this side. Yeah, you can see how this just joins together like this, right? So you can join as many as you like. You know, it's unlimited how many you want to join. So I thought that's pretty cool. And the other good thing about these is they're all testable. So if I just use my meter here on continuity, I can test from this end to this end. You hear the beep, or down through the center on either end. Now, these ones here are the same. So you've got 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you just put one of your conductors in here, and they all join together. So, I mean, it's as easy as just, you know, and the good part is that you can take something apart and put it back together. So, just put one in like this, and of course you can test the continuity to make sure it's okay. There you go. So all of these, they're all joining wires together, and I think that's fantastic. Now, next week's video is going to be all about, well, a project where I designed a 4 battery bank charger. So I'll be charging 4 different batteries off of one power source, all solar, for my cabin up in Northern Ontario. And I thought these would be ideal. And I thought, okay, so how do you, if you take a look at the bottoms here, how do you fasten these down to anything, right? And then I thought, okay, hot glue gun. So that's what you'll see in next week's video, is I'm going to glue these. I glue these all the way down, and I just use hot glue, and it's so simple. And I like them. And I mean, lever wire connector. I've never seen these before. I just happened to stumble across them on Amazon. And the 60 pack here was $17 plus tax of this style, and 60 of these for the same price. So I mean, they're fairly inexpensive. And they're rated at, I believe, up to 600 volt, 32 amp. Now, I'm only using them for on 12 volt circuits. I don't think you'll see me using these on high voltage circuits anywhere. But so far, they seem to be great. Leave me a comment down below if you've ever used these before. The big brand name on these is called Wago. But the ones that I choose was this one's here. And you know, they seem to be fine for me for the price, and the reviews were great on them, so I decided to go with that. So stay tuned for next week's video where I show you how I make that 4 different batteries off of one power source, charging, and I think it's a good design. I have to prove it first. I have to install it and everything else, but you'll see that on next week's video. So thanks for joining me here today. I think these things are fantastic, and I'll be using these more in the future on my projects on the channel. So come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and see some interesting things that I do every week. Cheers.